Hi, this is Christine and welcome back. This is the second of my 3 fabric covered journals, and this is covered with a doily and also some tablecloth lace. I think this, yeah, that was tablecloth lace, and I've got different bits of fabric underneath there as well, so it's like a patchwork design. Now these ties are quite long, and I left them that way because then you can cut these if you prefer to have them shorter, or you can just wrap them around the journal to keep it closed. You don't necessarily have to tie a bow, but that's entirely up to you to decide. And also you can remove them. These aren't glued down. They're just threaded through the stitching of the 2 signatures. So that can be removed if you prefer. Now this one also comes with a little bookmark, and it's got a teapot on the end. I don't know if you can see that. It's cute. So on the inside I've got a pocket in the front and the back, and I've got these planner pages that I tea-dyed, as well as some extra little pages here. And I've got the same thing in the back. So there are 2 signatures in this one as well. So there's lots of room for expansion if you wanted to turn this into a junk journal where you're adding a bunch of memorabilia in there. There's some scrapbook paper, tea-dyed papers. And there's lots of space for journaling, but these scrapbook pages you could use to do some junk journaling on if you wanted to attach some memorabilia, embellishments. You can also put photos, but not your originals, because not all the pages in here are acid-free. This was some writing paper. I like these balloons. Here's an envelope where you can tuck something in. And you can make little tuck spots on here. You can do stamping. There's another pretty image. Very festive. This is beautiful paper with gold colored thread, and this is a nice marble and gold colored design paper as well. Pretty tulips. Another envelope. And you can get lots of ideas on YouTube for embellishing your journal pages. So I will include a link to my Etsy shop in the description of this video. Have a nice day and happy journaling. Bye!